माई सेल्फ सोनिया सिंह, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर भारती कॉलेज। आज मैं आपके सामने जो ओपियम है उसका कल्टीवेशन बताने जा रही हूँ कि ओपियम को हम लोग कैसे कल्टीवेट करते हैं और किस तरीके से हम ओपियम को कलेक्ट करते हैं। तो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द कल्टीवेशन ऑफ ओपियम, I can tell you about the opium plant. Basically, opium from where we collect opium. Opium plant is a small herb-like plant. Means this is like this, and they have a capsule like this. They have a capsule like this. So this is a opium plant. Opium plant is a small plant. They have totally herb-like plant. They are overall green plant, and this opium should be collected on that capsule. That is known as capsule. That is known as capsule. So this is a opium plant. And we get opium from which part of plant? Which part of opium plant? We obtain opium from that opium plant of capsule. So this capsule will provide a opium from that opium plant. So opium is a small herb-like plant. They contain a capsule, and that capsule we collect a opium. So opium is an alkaloidal plant, or we can say that opium is are included in which chemical group? This plant are categorized in alkaloidal category of chemical group. So opium is an alkaloidal plant. Next we tell about their opium from their biological source. Opium is obtained from their capsule part, and their botanical name is Papaver somniferum. That name is Papaver somniferum, and they belong to a family Papaveraceae. Papaveraceae. So they obtain from capsule, and they have belong to a family Papaveraceae, and their botanical name is Papaver somniferum. Papaver somniferum. So these all about their biological source. And if we can talk about their geographical source, that opium is mostly found in the place of India. Basically in MP there is a Neemuch place where the opium cultivated more, or they also cultivated in Pakistan, in China, Russia. These all are places where the opium should be cultivated. And second thing is this: opium cultivation is not a easy process to cultivate any person. It is not cultivated to any person, because this is a very sedative, very vain plant. They not cultivated anyone. So for cultivating that opium plant, they should take a permission of their government. So for cultivation of that opium plant, we should take a permission to government. They give a license for approval license for cultivation of opium. So for cultivating of that opium plant, we should take a license from the government. So they have a license for cultivating a opium plant. So for cultivation of that opium plant, we take a license from the government. their opium should be cultivated. They should be cultivated in a cold climate. They are not cultivated in that climate. Means they are not cultivated in cold climate. Means cold climate is not favorable for the opium cultivation. And rainy hills place, wind place, these all are affecting the cultivation of their opium plant. So these climate weather is not easily favorable to cultivation of opium plant. And they have a soil which the opium plant should be cultivated easily. They have a sandy, loamy soil. They have a sandy, loamy soil. From that soil, the opium plant should be cultivated. Next, they have a requirement for their proper development of their opium plant. They should a fertilizer like phosphorus and nitrogen. Means nitrogen and phosphorus type of fertilizer is good for the development of their opium plant. Next, when we cultivated opium plant, that they should be cultivated with the help of seed. Means opium plant should be cultivated with the help of their seed. And their seed should be cultivated on a season of October and November. Means this is the time period where we cultivated a seed. After cultivating our seed, lightly irrigate their soil. Means not heavy, their lightly irrigation is needed to their cultivation of opium plant. Next, after the plant is growing, flowering should be come out on the 3 to 4th month. After seedling, flowering comes on the month of after a 3 or 4 month. The flowering comes out. After flowering, the capsule should be developed like this. This capsule should be developed after a 4 month of flowering. So that capsule is an important part of their opium. So that capsule should be developed after a 4 month of flowering. So capsule should be developed after flowering. If the capsule fully developed, at the time comes when we collect the opium from that capsule. So, from collecting the opium from that capsule, we use a special type of knives. Means not any instrument we use to incise that capsule. So, in capsule, latex is filled inside that capsule. So inside the fruit, capsule is filled. So we want out that capsule, out that latex. So from that situation, we use a special type of knife. That knife is known as special knife that have a 5 to 6 blades. Means a special type of knife that is known as knife, and they have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that have a 5 types of blade. So that special type of knife we used vertically or horizontally. We use that knife vertically on their capsule or horizontally in their capsule. So that knife should be cut their capsule vertically or horizontally like this. And inside their capsule, latex is filled. After applying their knife on that capsule, latex should process. This incision process is known as when we cut any part of the plant and after cutting the fluid comes out. That process is known as incision process. So that process should be done on the afternoon, because in afternoon weather is hot and there inside the latex is also become more liquid, and in afternoon they easy because of their latex should be a liquid. In afternoon because of heat there easily comes out from the capsule. So in afternoon we apply a knife on that capsule and latex comes out. So this process will be done in the afternoon and we leave it because their complete latex inside the capsule comes out, and after early in the morning we collect that latex, because in early in the morning that latex what comes out there in the morning, the weather is cold, so latex become coagulated. So this is easy way to collect them from the capsule. So afternoon we cut the capsule and leave it, and next day before morning we collect that capsule, that latex part from their capsule. So there is a special iron scoop. There is a special iron scoop. From that special iron scoop we use to collect that latex which is coagulated outside their capsule, and they pack in a plastic container. They should be packed in a plastic container because from protection purpose. And that process, from a single capsule, that incision process should be done in 4 times. Should be done in a 4 times. The reason is this: the complete latex should be comes out from that capsule. So that incision process should be repeat from a single capsule on maximum 4 times. So this is the incision process of their capsule, how we collect latex from that capsule. When we collect the latex, they should be dry on 98 to 100 degrees centigrade. They should be dry, because the reason is this कि उसके जो एक्टिव कंस्टिट्यूएंट है दैट दे शुड नॉट बी डिग्रेडेटेड और नेवर फंगल और माइक्रोबियल कंटामिनेशन on their latex part. So their drying is also important and their packaging is also important. They should be packed in a airtight container. So these all are the cultivation step, cultivation, collection and preparation step of their opium. Opium cultivation is not an easy process to collect their latex from their opium. It have a skilled person. Those who are not skilled person, they can't collect latex from that opium, because the time duration from collection of latex, their time of collection, their method of collecting, these all parameters affecting the quantity, quality, all these parameters should be affected. So if a person is not skilled, the proper quality or a proper amount of latex we can't get it. So cultivation collection is a very important step for the opium, and they have active chemical constituents. They are belong to a alkaloidal category, and they have a morphine, codeine, nicotine and also papaverine. These all are the active chemical constituents which are present in the opium, and they are used as an analgesic for surgical person. Thank you.